Hello everyone. You are watching PMN Online, and in this tutorial, we will learn how to use TradingView Paper Trading. Paper trading is an invaluable tool for those new to trading or anyone looking to sharpen their skills without risking real money. It allows you to develop strategies and practice execution in a risk-free, simulated environment. Let's dive into the process of setting up your paper trading account. First, open a chart in TradingView. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice the Trading Panel tab. Click on it, and you'll find several trading options. Select the Paper Trading by TradingView option and click Connect. This step begins your paper trading journey with a generous default balance of $100,000. What's great is that you can reset this balance anytime you like. Next, let's customize your trading account. Next to your paper trading account in the panel, there's a small gear icon. Click on it to adjust your account settings. For instance, if you prefer practicing with a $10,000 balance, you can reset it here. You can also tweak the leverage settings if you're trading assets that allow such modifications. Now, on to the exciting part: placing simulated trades. TradingView provides multiple ways to enter trades. Use the buy and sell buttons near the chart corner for quick actions. Alternatively, right-click on the chart, go to Trade, and select Create New Order. This will open an order ticket where you can choose between market, limit, or stop orders. You can also add risk management tools like stop loss and take profit levels. Once you're set, submit the order, and it will appear in the trading panel and on the chart for a clear view of your activity. Managing your orders and positions is straightforward. You can modify, drag, or cancel orders directly on the chart. The trading panel keeps you updated with tabs for open positions, pending orders, and trade history. A neat trick is using Ctrl+Alt+S on Windows or Command+Alt+S on Mac to take screenshots with trade annotations, perfect for reviewing or sharing your setups. As you trade, reviewing your performance is crucial. The account history and trading journal tabs provide insights into your results, profit and loss, fees, and more. Regularly checking this data helps you identify strengths and areas for improvement, enabling you to refine your trading strategy. Remember, even though it's a simulation, treat it as real trading. Maintain realistic position sizes, adhere to market hours, and practice disciplined entry and exit strategies. The goal is to simulate a real-world trading environment. Be mindful of resetting your account balance too often. Do it only when testing a new strategy. While paper trading doesn't fully mimic real-world factors like slippage or the emotional aspect of trading with actual money, it remains an essential tool for honing your execution skills. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering TradingView paper trading. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to use TradingView paper trading. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.